The key feature that puts the Port-O in the Port-O-Trike from Worksman Cycles is its foldability, but folding can be a little tricky on your first few tries. In this video, we'll give you a hand folding and unfolding the Port-O-Trike. To get started, locate the safety lock lever and folding hinge in the center of the frame. Also, ensure the pedals are in a good position for folding. Pull up on the lever to loosen the hinge, then pull the lever and bolt to the side. Make sure you've lifted up fully on the bolt to unlock the hinge. Finally, fold the trike at the hinge and set the bolt into its resting place. You're ready to transport your trike. To unfold the trike, pull up on the lever bolt and unfold the trike at the hinge until its two pieces come together. Move the bolt all the way over, and then press the safety lock lever down so that the hinge is locked into position. You'll want to make sure that the hinge is locked before you let anyone ride the tricycle. For more information on the Port-O-Trike or to purchase one for yourself, visit the link in the description or call our customer service department at 1-877-664-4565. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe for more informative videos from eSpecial Needs.